Hello everyone, welcome to the Angular Live project. In this video, we are going to understand the introduction related to the student management system, and we will understand like what we are going to implement in the videos. And apart from this one, we will understand what basic technology knowledge we needed to implement all this information and what all are the tools are required for making the student management system. So basically like for what we are going to implement, that is like this project is basically implemented in the Angular 8 using the entity framework code first approach and ASP.NET Core API, which contain the JWT authentication as a database, and we have like as a database we are using SQL Server. And like what this project have basically, so we can create a student, and after creating an account for the student we can log into that one, and after logging to that one we are navigate to the home page, and like from that home page will have the basic information, and there we can navigate to the student details page, and there we can do all the CRUD operation related to the student. And apart from this one, like what basic knowledge we needed to create this project is basically like we need the basic knowledge on the C#, JavaScript or the TypeScript, and we should have the knowledge on the SQL Server, Entity Framework, Angular 8 and the Web API. So we should have a basic knowledge related to this one. So let's understand what we are going to implement. So basically like we are going to implement a login page in similar way. Here we are having a tabular form where on the one tab we are having login, and another one we are having like a register page. Here user can register with their information and can sign up. And in the login page, suppose user has created the account, and once he log into the application, it will navigate to the next page, and that page will contain the information related to the user. So let's log in to the application. So once I will click on the login, we can see the like basic information related to the user, and here we like the username logged in, and from here the we have the button related to the logout, and from here we have the more info. Once I will click on this more info, like whatever the information related to the student we can see here, and from here like when I will click on this one, the respective information will populate here, and from here I can change the information like Munesh 123. If I want to update, when I will click on this submit, we will have record updated successfully, and this information will be like updated here as well. And from here even we can delete the record. So once I will like I want to cancel, then it will be remain same, and if I want to delete, like click OK, what it will do, it will delete the record from here, and it will refresh the data as expected. And after like doing the operation as per our requirement, we can go back and we will come back to the previous page, and from there we can log out to the application. So in that way this application is going to work, and across the video we are going to implement all these things, and we will see how we can implement that application. And apart from this one, we will see the logic behind this, and we will see like how we design this application using the JWT authentication, and we will understand the basic about the JWT authentication, like how it is useful for the Angular, and how we like it help for the application to make it secure. So that's it for this video. Thank you.